Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Rafiq and a graduation student and doing BBA from Kafute, Hajifrid University of Engineering and Information Technology. And as a business student, I made research on JVDC, that is a corporation and running a business of housing society. And firstly, the at organization established in June 8, 1961 and started its business as a cement corporation. And after several years in 2010, it closed its first business and started its business of housing scheme that is known as New Nazimabad. And the current share value is 37.56 and is running smoothly. And I will discuss about the corporation and about its figures and facts. And I will tell about to the investors about its portfolio. And I will suggest investors so that they should invest in the shares of Javidan Corporation, or they should not invest in this corporation. So I will see you some calculations of the company. And you can see Javidan Corporation Limited was incorporated in Pakistan. And the as you know, now it now the company is running a society in Nazmabad, and the land it's 1367 acres. And different Samad Habib CEO and Arif Habib chairperson, and Munir Gadar is a company secretary. And now I will discuss with you about the company's portfolio and company's statements. And the company is all business of 3 years, 1920 20 19 20 21 2020 2021 and 2022. So I will show you the figures. This is the detail of company's assets and company's liabilities. And first we will discuss about company's uh, non-current assets that which company have. And we will discuss I will that property, plant and equipment in non-current assets have those company have these figures. And same like in this statement is 2020 2021 and 2022. Same like interest invest investment properties. The detail of investment properties 543,120, and same like 2021 and 2022. And the figures are about intangible assets, long-term assets, advance against issuance of units, long-term deposits. Everything is here of 2020, 2021 and 2022. And same the current assets, detail about current assets is here: development properties, cash and bank balance, trade debts, loan and advances, trade deposits, short-term investments and unclaimed deposits. And the detail is here. And if you want to check the detail of every eh, non-current asset, you can check the note. Everything is here. And same like the total detail about total assets. uh, Total assets worth is here. And now I will show you about non-current liabilities. and current liabilities, and before that we will discuss about equity and liabilities, ordinary share, capital reserves, and revenue reserves. You can see here the detail of these things. Here are, and same we can check non-current liabilities. Current liability is long-term financing, and non-current liabilities deferred grants. Current liabilities trade and other payables, preferred shares, accused interest, markup, contract liability, short-term borrowings, current maturity of non-current liabilities, taxation on unpaid dividend, and same other things. And the detail of everything I have mentioned here as the JVDC listed, and total liabilities are here. And now we will discuss about statement of profit or loss, that is known as income statement. First, we will discuss about revenue from contract with the customers and net what company in earning the revenue, and the revenue is 2020, 2021, and 2022. And the cost of sales, what was the cost of sales that is mentioned here? That was the cost. And now we will check that gross profit margin, gross profit 2020, 2021, and 2022, that is the gross profit. And now we will check the total cost, expenses. What were the expenses? Marketing and selling expense, and administrative expenses, and flavor cost, finance cost, and the detail is here. And now we will discuss about total cost and other incomes, and then we will discuss about profit before taxation, and this is the detail of profit before taxation. And taxation, profit after taxation, and profit from discontinued operation after taxation, net income, and we will discuss about net income annually 2021, 2021, and 2022. And earning per share, basic, diluted from continued operation, that those operations are working, and this is the earning per share from working operations. And the operations are not continued or discontinued or not working operations, and the earning is here per share, you can see. And total basic earning per share, what is the total? 8.2, 10.9, and 1.57. And calculations. And now we will discuss about some ratios, because ratios are very important. If we are a businessman and we want to invest with the JVDC or any other company, we should check these ratios. Then we can take decision for investing in any corporation easily. So we must take a note on these ratios. Then we will make our decision easily to invest with any corporation. So now we will discuss first profitability ratios, that what profit is a earning organization or corporation. And we will discuss about JVDC, that what is the ROE, return on equity, This is the figures, and different figures are 2020, 2021, and 2022, and same ROCE, return on capital earning. So we can see here. And then OPM, operating profit margin, this is the operating profit margin. And OPM, fourth ratio is GPM, gross profit margin, this is the gross profit margin. And after the profitability ratios, we will discuss about efficiency ratios. And here are different efficiency ratios: AITP, HSPR, ASPP, SRCE, SRPEE. These are the efficiency ratios. And we can see for efficiency ratios 2020, 2021, and 2022. Same, we can see liquidity ratios, that how many liquid assets company have, corporation have. And this is very important, because if a company facing challenges, the company can sell easily their liquid assets and can get cash. So we should check here CR ratios, ATR ratios, CGO ratios. And we can see here JVDC ratios 2020, 2021, and 2022. And after that, here is gearing ratios. And this is also important, that how much company is taking money from other ratio, not say loans. And how many shares we can check here. GR and ICR ratios 2021, 2021, and 2022. And after that, the last ratios are investment ratio, and how we are investing DPO, or DCR, DYR, EPS, PER, PAGR, 2020, 2021, 2022. And all these things I have showed to you. And after these facts and figures, after this calculation, after the research of the on the JVDC, I have made my suggestion. I will suggest to investors that investors should invest in JVDC and near Nazmabad, because the shares are very good. And profit margin is very good. And giving dividends to their shareholders very smoothly and in good ratio. So investors should invest in JVDC. And the main reason is to invest in JVDC is that very big investors are investing here. And when a new project is launched and is running smoothly, and big investors are investing there, this is chance to get more benefit from there. And I will suggest that you should buy some shares, like 5 to 7,000 shares, or maximum 10,000 shares. You should not buy here or more than 10,000 shares. This is my suggestions, and this is my a point of view from JVDC, in that you should invest, and maximum you should invest, maximum you should buy 10,000 shares. These are the facts and figures. I hope so you will like these figures, and you'll take a decision by looking these figures, and this will be helpful for you to invest with JVDC. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, best of luck.